this is Noreen from Joya Cards, and today is the first day for the new catalog if you want to place orders. So here's my order. It's noreenbrungart.stampinup.net. Here's the June host code. Only use the host code if it's under $150. If it's over, then you don't use the host code and you get like free stuff. So remember that. If you want to see all my videos, it's joyacards.com or my YouTube channel, which you're on, and please subscribe and like and do all that other stuff, and that'd be great. But what I want to tell you today is that I can sell all my retiring stuff. So all the retiring products that I'm going to show you is half off retail. So let's start out with Abstract Impressions, Beautiful You, Bokeh Dots, Bonanza Bundles, Buddies. Now anything that has a die with it, like this one, it's separate. So half off the stamp, half off the die. But I generally have dies with everything that has a die. I have a punch with everything that has a punch. Botanical Bliss, Broadway Birthday, Budding Borders, Crackle Paint, Delightful Day, Full of Happiness, Honeybee. There's a lot of stuff here. I Say Hello, Lots of Cheer, Merry Christmas to All, Morning Star, Piece of Cake, Papa Petals, which has a punch. Oh, and I have so much more. Sending You Thoughts, which has this beautiful die in it. And guess what? Some of my stamp sets are brand new. This one's never been touched. Now, a lot have been nicely used, but yeah, there are some that don't. Tea Together has a die. The Gang's All Mere, Vase Punch, varied vases with the punch, and vibrant vases that has the same punch, and Wonderful Moments. Also have a card kit, the Kerchief card kit, and I also have hand-stitched letter dies. Also, all my embossing folders are $5. So I've got the Winter Knit, the scroll one. I have the corrugated folder. I have Country Floral. Oh, I also have Merry Christmas Thinlit dies. I also have the Memories of More card pack. It's kind of been taken apart, but I've got all those. I've got Brights, and this is, these are all retired, so this is the last year's catalog. I also have the Neutrals, the Regals, and there's various numbers of sheets, and if you're interested in these, let me know how many sheets, and we'll price it out at a really good price. Wrapped in Plaid. Best Dressed. I love Best Dressed, and I wish I would have used it more, and I bought a lot. So Best Dressed, that one's awesome. I have a little sample pack. I'll probably just give this away to somebody. I've got In Color, and I've got Subduals, and oh, here's the other tropical piece. Actually, this is a sample pack of a whole bunch of them. So I've got a little sample pack. So these are all the 6x6. And boy, do I have a bunch of paper. Now, as far as the 8.5 by 11, I've got Blueberry Bushel, Grapefruit Grove, Call Me Clover, Lovely Lipstick, Pineapple Punch. I also have designer series paper. I've got Lily Impressions. I've got a ton of that. I've got Golden Honey. I've got a ton of that. This was a beautiful paper too. Perennial Essence, Noble Peacock, Country Club, Peaceful Poppies, From My Heart, Sea Silhouettes, Garden Lane. It just goes on. Brightly Gleaming. Oh, that's a Christmas one. That's awesome. Pleased as Punch. Magnolia Lane, Tropical Oasis, and Bird Ballad. So any of the papers, just tell me how much you want and go from there. If you want to have these mailed, there'll be a little shipping. If you want to pick it up, I'm in Aurora, Colorado. So let's go on to the next one. I have a smorgasbord of a lot of other stuff here. Let's see. I've got Nature's Twine. I've got the 2019-2021 dots. I've got shimmer black embossing paper. I might actually keep this because for whatever reason we don't have black embossing paper anymore. So nix that one. I'm keeping it. I gotta give that to somebody. I have ribbon. I have the cherry cobbler ribbon. I have copper trim, metallic edge, the black satin. I've got, let's see, which one is this? Scalloped edge ribbon. A lot of these have been opened, but most of them, I'm not a big ribbon person, so there probably is a lot on the spool. This one was really pretty. This is the green sheer linen ribbon, and I use very little of that. This one also was brand new, the braided burlap. This was actually better than I thought. It goes with that tropical oasis. It actually looks pretty cool. It's more of this Christmas ribbon here. Also, I've got googly eyes. I don't know, I might keep googly eyes. Googly eyes are cool. I've got the one that went with the heart set from my heart. I've got the tropical oasis trinkets, iridescent sequins. Well, I've got a copper stamp pad. I got the perennial essence floral centers, and man, I wish I would have used these more too. Those are cool. A lot of these things have been opened, so they're like an extra discount, so it's really cool. Peaceful poppies. I've got copper embossing powder, dazzling diamonds. I've got the copper ink, refill for the ink pad. I've got ice stamping glitter. I got some pigment sprinkles. I never even opened this. I'm so upset at myself. The pressed petals washi tape. I'm a bad person. Shimmer white embossing powder. This is the copper all-purpose ink thing. You could put it in alcohol in one of the spritzers and spray copper on your project. I've got silver metallic thread, and I've got the blender pens for the ones that have been discontinued. In fact, I don't even think I've taken all of them out of my circulation. So but I've got all the ones that have been discontinued. I also have some giveaways here. If you get the first person that has a paper pumpkin subscription will get thoughtful blooms, and I might even have two. So if you're the second, you might get this anyway, but I have to check because I do have a punch here. So I'm assuming there's a stamp set. Oh yeah, look at that, another stamp set. So the first two people that do a paper pumpkin subscription will get free stamp and punch. Also, I've got some giveaway, another thoughtful positive thoughts. This one I used the butterfly once, and it has the die set. And I'll do something cool for somebody. This will be a giveaway. If you're interested in a giveaway and you're going to place an order, let me know. I'm easily manipulated. I also have Power of Hope, the embossing folder, and the stamp set. I love this set. It's pretty awesome. I've got some stuff that I always duplicate something along the year. And one of them is Well Said, and another one is Wish for Everything. And I know I've got two. One might be used. I'm not sure. This isn't the one that's new. I'll get the other one out. And Well Said. So this one's definitely new. And yeah, manipulate me. Make me give you something away for free for placing an order or something like that. So that's all my retired. If you want something, you're looking for something and you just didn't see it, let me know. Here, look, I have things hiding on my desk. Make a Splash. This was a hostess gift, never been used, and I absolutely love it. And if somebody doesn't want to buy it, I might even keep this one because it's so cool with the fishbowl and everything. I'm mad at myself for not making this one. So I might even give it as a giveaway for placing a new order. So new orders for the new catalog goes to this. If you want any of the retiring, you need to contact me on my joyofcards.com or my email address, the Noreen@joyofcards.com, and let's make a deal. All right, so that's it. Bye.